Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Ivan and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and if you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sinigang, sea breams, and prawns. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our sinigang, sea bream, and prawns, it's super easy to make. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. But first, what is sinigang? Well, according to Wikipedia, sinigang is a Filipino soup characterized by its sour and savory taste. It is most often associated with tamarind, or in Filipino we call it sampalok, although it can use other sour fruits and leaves as a souring agent. It is one of the most popular dishes in the Philippines. For short, it's sour, savory, and delicious. Okay. Anyway, in a pot, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, following with half of an onion sliced, and then give it a quick mix. Then add 7 thin slices of ginger and mix it until the ginger releases its aroma. And then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, sliced as well. Then mix it for 2 minutes or until it looks like this. Once it looks like this, go ahead, add 100 grams of string beans and just keep mixing. Finally, add 100 grams of okra and just continue mixing it until the okra is a little soft. That's the last vegetables you're going to add for this sinigang recipe. After that, add water just until it covers the vegetables, then season it with salt and pepper and let it boil for 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, you can add your seafood of choice. I choose sea breams and prawns because the sea bream has a very clean taste and satisfyingly meaty texture, and it's the best fish for sinigang. And also the prawns is very soft but still got some bite into it, and it absorbs all the flavor from the soup. Add 4 sea breams divided into half. Finally, add 11 prawns. This is optional, but if you like it spicy, you can add 4 to 5 green chili peppers to give some heat to the soup. And then add 1 pack of Knorr Sinigang Mix original tamarind flavor. And a quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Knorr Philippines. Anyway, grab a spoon and gently dissolve the sinigang to the soup. Then simmer it for 20 minutes and your sinigang is ready. It's halfway done, and would you look at that? Let me taste a little bit. 10 more minutes and it's ready. And now we can pour the soup into a big serving bowl and your sinigang is done. This is by far the best sinigang, sea bream, and prawns you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make sinigang, sea breams, and prawns. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!